The treasure hunt. Vinny the vulture wanted to find some treasure. The treasure will give me pleasure, he said. I want the treasure for the future, so I have time for leisure. The vulture searched behind the furniture and under a fixture. He searched a small enclosure, but could not capture the treasure. I feel lots of pressure to find this treasure, said the vulture. Then he looked at a picture and felt the texture with his feather. The texture on the picture was a map to the treasure. First I was unsure, but now this picture can help me. The vulture felt the texture again. It led him outside to nature. How far is the treasure? He asked. He measured the picture. He quickly flew to a small enclosure. He found the treasure.